The United Committee Manipur, or the UCM, has urged the central as well as Biren Singh-led state government to install outlook symbolic structures depicting uniqueness of Manipur's freedom movement at the Mount Manipur in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Speaking to media, UCM President Joy Chandra Konthojam and Secretary General Gangom Deva recounted that Mount Manipur is epitome of the spirit of freedom shown by the 23 Manipuri freedom fighters, including Maharaja Kulachandra, who were exiled by the British for waging war against them. UCM also submitted memorandum to Prime Minister, Union Home Minister, Lok Sabha MP of Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the State Chief Minister in this regard. UCM further demanded to change the name Manipur Parvat National Park to Mount Manipur National Park. UCM further said that brief history, leaflets, catalogues, pictorial postcards and relevant documents depicting all 23 freedom fighters of Manipur be made available and displayed at the place.
होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह ने वही जगह माउंट मणिपुर डिक्लेयर किया है। माउंट मणिपुर डिक्लेयर किया है, वहाँ जगह पे हमारे किंग का स्टैचू चाहिए, हमारे 22 आर्मी का उसका मेमोरियल स्टोन जगह रखना चाहिए। वही वजह से हम लोग ने चीफ मिनिस्टर और होम मिनिस्टर और प्राइम मिनिस्टर में डिमांड किया है। क्या डिमांड किया है? हम लोग हीरो लोग के लिए उसकी जगह में माउंट मणिपुर का उसी जगह में स्टैचू रखना जरूरी है। हम लोग ने इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर और इंडिया का होम मिनिस्टर, इंडिया की अंडमान निकोबार की एमपी में रिक्वेस्ट किया है। हमारे फोर फादर हीरो के लिए आप लोग ने थोड़ा रेस्पेक्ट करो, हमारे लिए वहाँ पे स्टैचू और मेमोरियल स्टोन रखने के लिए हम लोग ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है।
Bill to the and we propose to the our Indian government and the Manipur government to install a rest house or a guest house in that Mount Manipur in Andaman and Nicobar. This is the first we ask to the Indian government and the Manipur government. And secondly, we again appeal to erect or install the life-size statue of the Maharaja, then the king of the Manipur, Kulachandra, and that in the area of the Andaman and Nicobar Mount Manipur. And thirdly, we also propose to install the common memorial tower for the remaining 22 freedom fighters from Manipur, and then the visitors or the descendants of the freedom fighter to be cited that kinds of the common memorial. And lastly, we propose to change the word Manipur Parbat National Park in that Mount Manipur. One national park was there, but we like to change this Manipur Parbat National Park into Mount Manipur National Park. This is also our, in the public opinions of the Manipur, we also appeal to the Manipur government and the Indian government